Alright guys, after it got sent to the wrong state, it is Saturday. My Divo Stout is finally here, opening it for the first time. I did open the outer package and it had a coaster and my back spacer. Just take that sucker out. Wow, I really love the pattern on that one. It's gonna be cool to put in. Anyway, we'll put those back. Kev, Lefty EDC, thank you. CM Knife Design, thank you. Got a sticker. It's got a nice leather pouch. That's nice. Really big microfiber cloth. Yo, I saw Kevin folding these, man. It looked like he knew what he was doing with those. We was in a pattern. Good job. Had even the logo sticking out. All right, guys. And the moment of truth. I got extra hardware. Look at all that. Wow. All that extra hardware. I mean, how many knives do you see that come with extra bearings, pivot, clip, all that stuff? I even got a keychain. And here she is. Stone washed copper carbon fiber. Perfectly centered. Oh, this feels really nice. Very nicely contoured. Very first flick. Oh, that's nice. Nice hollow grind. Pretty thin behind the edge. Edge is okay, but you know, we'll do something with that. We'll see how that comes out. Nice choil there, where I'm not going to be making a smile if I sharpen. Oh, this is nice. I have to see how this does when I'm cutting with it at work. There's really no jimping needed. You got a lot of leverage with that top right there. That sheep spoon. Oh, that just drops, guys. Absolutely just drops. It needs no encouragement. No play. Maybe a tiny bit side to side, but that's with a lot of pressure. No detent lash. Nicely done. And then the detent locks right about there. So you get a pretty early disengagement. So be ready for this thing to fall, guys. Look at that, absolutely smooth. Divo knife, stout. What do y'all think of that material? And I know there's a love-hate relationship with wire clips. I think they're practical and useful, just enough leverage. No problem with them. But anyways, that is my first look and unboxing of my Divo Stout, which should have been here 2 days ago, maybe 3. But I am excited to see this, and I can't wait to see how this guy looks on the back. All right, thank y'all.